Hello everyone, children. Today we are going to read the words short and long sounds. So let's start. Short sound of E is A, long sound is E. In this word there is only one vowel, so we will say its sound. B, et. Children, please repeat after me. B, et, bet. In this word there are two vowels. First one, the name of the vowel. Second one is silent. B, eat, beat. In this word there is only one vowel, sound of the vowel. R, ed, red. In this word there are two vowels, name of the vowel, long sound that is called. R, ed, read. In this word there is one vowel, m, n, men. In this word there are two vowels, e and a. First one, name of the vowel. Second one is silent. M, in, mean. Red, read. Men, mean. S, et, set, one vowel, two vowels. S, eat, seat. N, et, net. N, eat, neat. Children, remember the rules of the vowels. When there is one vowel in a word, you must say its sound. B, N, ben. When there are two vowels in a word, first one is name of the vowel, second one is silent. B, in, bean. Ben, bean. P, ek, peck. P, ek, peak. F, ed, fed. F, ed, feed. N, ed, ned. N, ed, need. Fed, feed, ned, need. D, n, den. D, eep, deep. T, n, ten. T, in, teen. Den, deep, ten, teen. M, et, met. M, eat, meat. Met, meat. Read these sentences and mark the vowels. Ben needs 10 nets. B, n, ben, n, ed, needs 10, t, n, 10, n, et, nets. Ben needs 10 nets. Let, l, et, let us. In read, let us read. In read there are two vowels, r, ed, read. Let us read. Children, please repeat after me. Let us read. These children are reading. The, sight word the. In seat there are two vowels. Eat, seat. Name of the vowel. Eat, seat. In the jeep, j, eep, jeep. There are two vowels. So first one, the name of the vowel. Second one is silent. J, eep, jeep is red, red. The seat in the jeep is red. You can see red color seat. The seat in the jeep is red. Please repeat after me. The seat in the jeep is red. N ed Ned. K and can. In C there are two vowels. S E C. Name of the vowel, first one, second one is silent. S E C. A, sight word A. Remember, single A, sight word. Sight word, they don't follow any rules. You have to just recognize and spell it. A, J, et, jet. Ned can see a jet. The, sight word. M, il, meal. In meal there are two vowels. M, E, name of the vowel. A is silent. L. M, il, meal is et, set. Let us eat. In eat there are two vowels. E, name of the vowel. A is silent. E and T, eat. The meal is set. Let us eat. Read together. The meal is set. Let us eat. J and Jen. The, sight word. H and hen. Needs. In needs there are two vowels. N, ed, needs. A, sight word. A, ed, feed. Ed, feed. Together, Jen the hen needs a feed. Keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Children, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Thank you.